Hey gang, this is LT here. Just wanted to send you a little motivation this morning. Don't get down on yourself if you don't always feel like working out. Even though I've been pretty much working out as long as I can remember, I don't always feel like doing it. Sometimes you gotta do things you don't feel like doing, but don't get discouraged or get down on yourself or anything like that just because you don't feel like it. Some people might seem so excited about working out, but everybody have down days. Nobody's 100% all the time. Even professional athletes, some days they just don't feel like practicing, even though they're getting paid millions of dollars, right? So, even though it's important to work out, just mentally don't let it stress you out and get down on yourself just because you don't always feel like it, okay? Some days you're going to feel like it, some days you don't. The important thing is, even when you don't feel like it, try to do something, even if it's just a power walk or something. Okay, hope this tips helps. Have a great day.